begins in the heart. For essences, understanding and comprehension rely on life, and life on belief that spirit is attainable, and purity of spirit sustains all.
I believe when it was not. Believe it or not, I once was not. I give and was given all that I got. Emotion controlled by emotions, powered by the stock. Releasing what I caught, I am suddenly, slowly untying the knot. At the very bottom and the very top. Started to really go somewhere when I just stopped. To see the vision that once was blocked. And observe the creation by creating observation through my silent plot. Self-talk, with no keys we open the lock. By residing in between the tick and the top. Light as a feather and solid as a rock. Realize the true you is a true me, and that's all we got.
Purity is like the body, the bones, flesh, the blood, the mind destined to birth. Born before a time of adolescence and growing up. Purity is relearned by death. Composure, decomposing. A body like stone eroding, crystals into powder, soil into soul. Oh son of dust, like birth I once was pure. As pure as the nutrients that replenishes my body. Giving me the energy to return. My purity I will relearn. I learn of wisdom, a warrior spirit, a lover's virtue, who I am. I build for eternity like the sand of earth. Forever moving, shifting, growing, but never disappearing. And so appears my quest, that quest of a journeyer, composed of a dust-covered soul, a sooted spirit. Purity and wisdom transcend and cleanse the soul.